Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to put the mounting plate here with the two gang plate. So I will cover the switches and I have this two gang plate here and I have got four screws. So let's start. We just need one screwdriver for this. I have this screwdriver here and basically this plate is kind of a unique plate because the screws won't be visible from outside. The traditional plate has the screws outside. I can show you some like this. As you can see in this switch, the screws are outside, you can see them, but in this plate here the screws won't be outside hanging around. So let's get started. Basically, just let me set the camera here. So now we will be doing this one first. So first of all, you have to make sure all the four screws inside do align with each other. So I am aligning these two as of now, but this is not aligning. So as you can see here, let's have a closer look. So this one, as you can see, it's aligned with the others with inside this one as well, but not these two. So now I will be just pushing this button little sidewards. That's it. You just have to push this a little sidewards like this. And now let's see. So now we can see two above aligning, but not the below ones. So basically, as this one is our Wi-Fi screw and this one is the normal gang plate. So it can be a little tricky to install it. So you have to make sure the measurements are completely right. That's what I am measuring here. Yep, and it seems perfect to me from this end like this. So now it seems perfect. We will do this thing here and we will just mark it here. And now this one goes in here, this one goes in the top here, and this last one goes in here. So we will just tighten them just to make sure they are good and secure. Do not over tighten them, just a little bit is good. Just want to make sure they are. So you can see our wall plate is done, and now the final step, we just have to put this on and we will just remove the film here. So this has been removed and now align it with this thing. That's it. And as you can see, both the switches are done. It's working and that's good. And that's how you have to install the wall plate here. And you can see the screws are not visible in here like the traditional ones. So improve the aesthetics of the house as well. Also, this wall plate, it's very cheap. I have ordered it around 15 or $16 for 5 plates, and I will put the link in the description for you to order it from the Amazon as well. And in the Home Depot, this one single plate for the double gang was around $11. So the choice is yours, whatever you want to take. So if you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe.